Presenting HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Health Insurance Plan. A plan that understands you and all your health insurance needs and secures not just your present but your future as well. It redefines the value a health insurance plan can give to our customer. Optima Secure gives you so much cover, so much choice, so much trust and so much more. Sounds interesting? Let us know more about the so much benefits of Optima Secure. Optima Secure gives you so much coverage. HDFC Ergo Optima Secure brings you Secure Benefit, which is a first-of-its-kind benefit in India. With this, you get 2 times coverage from day 1 at no additional cost. It's automatic and available on purchase. No need to claim to activate it. So, if Mr. Sharma buys an insurance cover of 10 lakhs, his cover instantly becomes 20 lakhs. Similarly, a base cover of 20 lakhs becomes 40 lakhs and 1 crore becomes 2 crores. What an amazing value. That's why we say Optima Secure, they benefits so much. HDFC Ergo Optima Secure introduces Plus Benefit, a first-of-its-kind benefit in India. With this, the base coverage automatically increases by 50% after 1 year and 100% after 2 years. Now you don't have to worry that it takes long time to earn full no-claim bonus or a reduced bonus in case of a claim. So, if Mr. Sharma buys a policy of 10 lakhs, his cover becomes 15 lakhs after the first and 20 lakhs after the second year. That too, irrespective of any claims made. So, if you now combine Plus Benefit with the Secure Benefit Mr. Sharma received, he gets so much coverage of 30 lakhs. It's assured and comes at no additional cost. With the automatic Restore benefit of Optima Secure, if a claim, partial or total, is made anytime during the policy year, then 100% of the base sum insured amount is restored in the policy automatically at no additional cost. When Mr. Sharma gets hospitalized and has a claim, we will automatically restore 100% of his base cover, which is 10 lakhs in this case, even for the same illness. This means that Mr. Sharma gets an additional 10 lakhs of coverage with Restore benefit. Adding Restore benefit to Mr. Sharma's existing 30 lakhs coverage with Secure and Plus benefit makes his coverage 40 lakhs. All the benefits of Optima Secure work together to give 4x coverage. Amazing, isn't it? One of the key pain points that customers face at the time of discharge is the issue of non-medical expenses. Trying to understand what is not covered and arranging the funds to pay for it is a real pain. Presenting Protect benefit of Optima Secure that covers the payment of all your listed consumables, including non-medical expenses. It's built-in and automatically available to all our customers at no extra charge. Meaning, during any hospitalization, some inevitable expenses like gloves, mask, nebulizer kit, food charges, diaper, etc. that Mr. Sharma would have paid from his own pocket now gets covered under the policy. Well, now that's what real cashless hospitalization means, right? So by now, all of you may agree when we say that health insurance का सबसे बड़ा सच, Optima Secure दे benefits so much.